Yeah. Huh? Sierra the Thomas.
A road going straight all the way over and then you cut up.
That's the preschool right there. That building.
It doesn't have the map that I have on my phone. Doesn't have to pull up the
Sierra the Thomas, and then it starts at the top of Thomas.
I mean, the map just shows a road going all the way down to this neighborhood hella far, and then you go up.
This is where we go up.
No, it shows single track going up, dude. Like, it's not even... It's just going down a street, and then...
Look,
And then...
that's where it starts. At the top of Thomas.
I think you're taking us on a different trail.
That's Armstrong single track.
Yeah, you're just making up stuff.
No, it's Armstrong single track.
And
then that-
Armstrong.
And then that catches, I know, but then it catches Donner Lake Rim Trail.
But we should hit the Donner Lake Rim Trail from where it starts.
We would have to drive up to where people live, though.
You don't have to drive anyway. Hold on.
There's no start of any singles right here.
That's the whole thing. They made a trail so you can get on it. Watch.
I mean, the streets are all the same.
Look. Trout Creek, look where it starts. 80, and then there's a road that we go up like that for a long time. Then we hit it and we go up.
What's the name of that road? Because I know where this trail is because I used to have friends that lived right there.
Yeah, but I kind of want to, because we might be missing the whole point of what this trail's been done for. Like,
So there's a trail somewhere here on the street?
no, we just got to find this road that we go up. I mean, our car is parked
Right
like,
there.
right, probably here. We just go down over here and we hit that shit, and then we go up. Because we might want to come down that. I don't want to.
Hold on. What is that?
So we're
That looks like Thomas.
starts on Northward Boulevard, across the street from Trout Creek Cave Trail. So we go on Northward Boulevard.
That's way back there.
Like way back there, yeah. But don't you want to go up the whole way that it's meant to be?
I guess.
I want to ride the whole rim trail.
But where does it start at? Here?
Where's this? What is this? Northward
That's the
Boulevard?
power line. Like, dude, I used to live here. I know that. That's.
Okay, so it says a trout.
Dude, that's all the way up Northwoods Boulevard.
What does that mean?
Dude, it's a road like this.
Oh,
Dude, it's way worse than what we're going up right now.
well, this isn't why I don't want to stop. I just want to do the rim trail, like from the beginning, and know what it's. Because we may want to come down that, right? So you just want to do this connector and miss all the in between that's in here behind these houses?
So you want, this is where you want to start at.
I kind of where they built the trail that they're talking about.
Then we have to drive there.
Really?
Yeah. We should drive up there.
That far, but why is it? Like you're saying, it's like a mile?
Dude, that's far.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, I mean, I know where that's at too.
Well, there's, I don't know, they said that you could drive to that, to it from the park.
Like this is all an uphill, like up Northwoods Boulevard to the DLRT power line. That's been there for years.
It's not power line, it's the rim trail. It's a new rim trail. They've just...
I know, here, the rim trail starts over here though.
No, it starts right where they had it. That's the whole point. They said the rim trail has been created, and then you go follow the rim. It's just the rim trail all the way through. It says rim trail all the way up. I don't know if that's the same thing.
Well, there's the Armstrong track, single track that you're talking about. And that goes to the rim trail. But to access it, we have to go up this road.
I've lost my thing now.
Like, that's where it starts.
We'll just take this, I don't care. We'll take it.
I mean, we're almost...
I don't know if it's going to be a great ride today. I'm wondering. Lost. The single track in there might be fun. That they built out.
No, we're hitting the single track. There's the Armstrong single track east. That will take us up to... I mean, we could access it over here, but this is all uphill from the power line. I mean, we have to drive. You don't want to go up Northwoods. I don't want to be looking at cars.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know it that well. Just go ahead and do what you're doing here.
Okay.
Try this.
I mean, this uphill's not that bad, but you don't want to ride up Northwoods.
Okay.
Dude, Northwoods sucks.
I thought it was just a straight road that went to